Good luck, everybody. Put the Sterling aside. Break the case. Here we go. What the hell's going on outside? I don't know, man. I try not to get involved in my neighbor's business. Oh, thank you. Call me a princess. You're awesome. Yeah. First time I've been called a princess. Feel special. Soul boxes of Topps Chrome right there. Oh, for sure. Welcome anytime into this room. Alright, here we go. Box number 1, Topps Chrome football! Yeah! Alright, 4 cards. I'm going to show you guys every card, read your base, all that wonderful stuff. Cecil Shorts Refractor for the Jaguars. Remind me, guys, that box prices have gone up, so the next break will be overcharged. Marquise Goodwin. X little Fractor die cut card. We got a tiny Robert Woods. Tiny Robert Woods. Refractor, Stevan Ridley. You guys really want to see all the refractors and all that stuff? Yeah? We got a green parallel. Oh, Terrence Williams for the Cowboys. We got, I believe, our autograph card, maybe? This card is backwards. Mike Glennon, refractor autograph for the Bucks. Jay Pintek with the Bucks. Card is not numbered. Very nice. Does not say refractor on the back of it either. Very strange there. Not numbered, and Tall Boy, Jordan Reed. Not numbered, and does not say refractor on the back. We got a black Andrew Luck out of 299. Black refractor Andrew Luck for the Colts. Antonio Brown refractor. Marcus Lattimore throwback. And Zach Ertz throwback. Camouflage, Miguel Masonette. Camouflage for the Browns. Fractor, Victor Cruz. Refractor, Cameron Wake. Refractor, Ed Reed, when he was with the Texans. Blue Wave, Vance McDonald, Blue Wave for the Niners. Maybe the refractor SP variation. Ooh, okay. Matt Barkley, tiny. Yeah, it's not numbered, so if it is, let me know. I'm in now. Larry Fitzgerald refractor. Marcus Lattimore insert. We got a pink Elvis Dumerville, 24 of 25. Or is it red? I don't know if it's red or pink. Probably red, right? Because it's numbered at 25. 24 of 25. Elvis Dumerville. Way to give me a veteran short print. 24 of 25. Red. There you go, red. Yes. For the Ravens. Those Ravens. Code Robert. Thank you. Calvin Johnson Jr. Refractor. Oh, yeah, I got 2 more packs. Yeah. Oh, Justin Hunter insert. Hawkins and Andre Ellington inserts. And last 2 packs. We got, AP. 53 of 250. 260. AP. Prismy Refractor. That was box number 1. And my neighbors are being fucking loud as fuck. Ooh, box number 2. Box number 57. Got a tall boy, Justin Hunter. Guy had some good numbers yesterday. Chet Bailey Refractor. Tyler Eifert insert. Oops, rookie. And a Robert Woods insert. Camo. You got Camo Toe. Jamar Taylor for the Dolphins. Camo Toe. Oh, nice. What is that number? 126 of 499. Randall Cobb. Refractor. 2 rookies. Got our autograph already. For the Steelers, 270 of 600, Le'Veon Bell. Nice little guy's doing good too. King scored to tie the game. How about that? Stepfan Taylor insert. Black Cornelius Carradine, Tank Carradine, number 289 of 299. Tank Carradine. Cromartie Refractor. We got our die cut here. Tyler Wilson for the Raiders. We got a tiny Tyler Eifert. MJD Refractor. Oops, wrong stack. Keenan Allen insert. Le'Veon Bell insert. That one Jones Prismy card for the Packers. That one Jones. Phillip Rivers Refractor. Jake Locker refractor, Titans. Marcus Wheaton insert. We got a pink Earl Thomas, 249 of 399 pink. Earl the Pearl. Wes Welker refractor. We got a little Prismy. Ooh, Blue Wave. Blue Wave. D. Milliner. D. Milliner for the Jets. Blue Wave. And that's 2 packs of box number 2. Tiny Jordan Reed. And the last pack has a refractor of Darrell Revis Island. Box number 3. Pack number 1. Fractor, Tony Romo. Best quarterback in the NFL, right, Firenado? Ryan Nassib insert. And Tyler Wilson insert. Prism, Keenan Allen out of 260. Prism refractor. The Chargers. Baby Manning. Percy Harvin refractor. Stedman Bailey, tall boy. Brandon Marshall refractor. Teo insert, along with a Keenan Allen insert. Those Chargers inserts. Charger box. London Fletcher camouflage out of $4.99. Patrick Willis refractor. And our autograph. This is a nice autograph. Ooh, out of 9/9, Tavon Austin. Guy just blew up this weekend. 49/99 for the Rams. Maniac. Tavon Austin. Very nice. Guy blew up this weekend, huh? Little streaky autograph. Should get him a new pin. Aaron Rodgers out of $3.99 for the Packers. Frank Gore refractor. One sec. Blue Wave, Terrence Williams, T-Dub. Denard Robinson, Tiny. Refractor, Roddy White. Falcons. Blue. Gio Bernard, insert. Got a black Antonio Gates out of $2.99. Cameron Newton, refractor, Panthers. Our die cut is Stedman Bailey, the Rams. And there's the Rams. Last 3 packs. Oh, Kings win. Ooh, this one's numbered 52. 52/99. Refractor. Marshawn Lynch. 1,000-yard club. Kings win. Gio Bernard Tiny. So the Seahawks. SMD with the Seahawks. Chris Long fighting his brother the other day. Yesterday. To base. And now Davis insert. That was box number 3. That was a nice box number 3. What do you guys think? Nice box number 3, yeah. Nice little box. Box number 4. Here we go. Terrence Williams insert. Gavin Escobar insert. 2 Randall Cobb Prism out of 260. Jonathan Cooper refractor, rookie refractor. DJ Fluker, rookie refractor. Tavares King, refractor. Rookie refractor. A lot of rookie refractors in this. Yeah. Tavon Austin insert and Manti Te'o insert. Deshaun Goldson camouflage for the Bucks. All pro. Deshaun Goldson. Gavin Escobar rookie refractor. Cowboys. And our autograph. This guy did good yesterday. Out of 150. See, this refractor is numbered. This one's numbered 77 of 150. I'm sorry if I'm holding it down the corner. Justin Hunter. It's a nice big autograph. That's what you like to get. Nice big autograph. Doesn't say Justin Hunter. It's a nice big clean autograph. You're 77 of 150. Very nice. Titans. Code Robert. Green Bay Packers. Eddie Lacy, tall boy. Trying to say what that? The kid went off yesterday. TJ McDonald should be worth more. TJ McDonald refractor. So the first one we pulled, the Mike Lennon, that was a variation. Nice. Justin Hunter inserts for the Bucks. Jay Pintek. Another pinky. Jawan Jameson. Joanna Man. Joanna Jameson. Pinky. Ooh, 14 of 50. Keenan Allen, tiny. Look at that. Nice. Yes, more professionalism. Christian Ponder refractor. Blue Wave, Christina Michael. I don't care, babe. Whatever. Justin Hunter, Tiny. I've learned too much doing this already. Learned too much. And don't care. Marquise Goodwin. Insert. Black, Adrian Peterson out of 299. Hey, Pierre, second refractor. Adrian Peterson. Brad Sorensen for the Chargers, Prism. Ooh. I saw a different color. I was like, what? Marcus Wheaton. I saw gold. I was like, gold. But no, it's just a color because of the jersey. Marcus Wheaton. Christine Michael, Tiny. And Mike Ginnisley, refractor. Rookie refractor, Mike Ginnisley. Oh, nice. That was box number 4. Ooh, 4 boxes. It's done. Very nice. Box, let's stop the video here. Part 1.